Hi guys, and welcome to my first unboxing video. So what we got here today, this is the Electrolux Silent Performer Cyclone. Okay, I just got it today. This is a 2000 watt vacuum cleaner. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. The instruction manual, the first thing, and here we have the main hose. This is the handle when you hold it. The telescopic pipe. Next we have some of the accessories. Comes with like two attachments actually. This is for the curtains, the other one. This is the main nozzle. And this is for the corners and sofas. Both of them can be attached here, and this can be attached to the main pipe. Okay. And here we have the vacuum itself. I'll move this. Okay. Comes in a dark blue color. The design is pretty much nice. Actually, it looks different from other vacuum machines. And the thing also about this one, it doesn't have an on and switch button. Instead, once you turn this regulator, it will turn on. Once you put it back, it will turn off. The other side, this is the cable retraction button here. Okay. Here is the main dustbin, which you can open it like this, separate it easy, and push it for opening to take the dust out. Okay. The main hose goes here. Here we have another filter, which can be moved and cleaned, washable. And here it have the HEPA filter. Take it out like that, clean it, wash it, dry it, and put it back in. Okay. On the back side, one more filter, sponge type, washable also. This is how it looks from down. This is where you can park the hose. It have one down here and one more here on the side, so you can put it up or down as you wish. Put this back on. And that's it. One more thing. This is like a protection for your furniture and corners called Ergo Shop, and here it have the trademark of Silent Pro System. So that's pretty much everything. I'll make another video to see how it works and how powerful it is. So wait for me.